Meaning of Hail to the Chief.
Hail to the chief.
Hail to the Chief.
Hail to the chief.
Hail to the chief. Hail to the chief is a phrase used to honor the President of the United States. The tune, which originated from the Scottish bagpipe tradition, was first played for a U.S. president at the inauguration of James K. Polk in 1845. Since then, it has become a traditional anthem played whenever the president makes an entrance at a formal event. The phrase has come to symbolize respect and reverence for the office of the president, as well as the person holding that position.